Yo, wagwan, my people. I go by the name Shadiliza, aka the Young Tiger. Chui! We have a new song pale YouTube, Boomplay, Deezer, iTunes, Spotify. Watu wangu wa TikTok, madancers pale TikTok tuko na sound. Watu wangu wa WhatsApp kuna sound. Wapi kwingine, Instagram, Facebook and other streaming platforms. Just go and search Mushene by Shadiliza. Ni ngoma tamu manze. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, you follow the platforms, share the link kwa wasee. I will appreciate. Link ya YouTube iko kwa bio zangu zote. Make sure you go, make sure you support Shadiliza manze. Lazima tufike mbali, si ndio? Au sio? Ati niko na kadem kafupi kanono round, tukiweka deal kana nipiga maground kama FM kejani sitaji sound, anabonga mob ni kamelipwa na pound. Kweli ni kadem juu ni kafupi kidot, bebe usijamsu unajua napenda jokes, sizi kupa shame kukupata nilifort, nilidhani tight kumbu medungia socks, kiunoka uteo kupepeta ndani ndani, toto kipepeo kana ruka mbalimbali, shida ni mavideo kana nionyesha gandani, hana maendeleo ye hubonga za jirani. Mushene kanapenda mushene, we mushene kanapenda mushene, mushene kanapenda mushene, sikia mushene kanapenda mushene, ati mushene kanapenda mushene, mushene kanapenda mushene, mushene kanapenda mushene, mushene si anapenda mushene. Support Shadiliza manze, I will appreciate. Big love Shadiliza.